Okay, this is going to be a short tutorial because this is quite easy actually. So how do we create a store or make somebody sell you something? Okay, so we're here and I'm already in a map of a store. I already have a guy selling things here. I'm going to add one more right next to him. You start by choosing an actor to be there. People, and I'm going to choose this guy with the glasses here. Good. First thing, we're going to make some text. Normally just to welcome the person to the store. Oh, hello. Would you like to buy some items? After that, we are going to use the event for shop processing. Find it here for you. Right here on 3 scene control, right under the battle. You're going to double click the list and choose what items you want the guy to sell. You can specify the price or have the standard price you can set when you create a new item. Okay? So I choose the items. Okay, and these are the items the guy has for sale. If you click this, he will only sell things. If you don't, you can your hero can sell things back to the store too. Okay? Click OK. After that, just add a final message with show text. And just to close the interaction with the sales guy. Click OK. Let's test him here. Okay, with this, we have our store working. You can sell if you have them. Okay? This is the message. That's it. This is how you make a store on the game.